Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the camera orientation issues in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on software update. Now click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. Now here it will automatically start checking for updates for your mobile software, and if there is any update pending, then update your mobile software to latest version, and after doing this the camera orientation issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the camera orientation issue after updating your mobile software, then the second solution is reset the camera settings. So to do this, open camera app and now click on the settings icon. Now in settings, camera settings, scroll down to the end and here click on reset settings. Now here again click on reset to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all the camera settings back to factory default. And after doing this, your camera orientation issue will be fixed. But after these solutions, if you are still facing the same camera orientation issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and open the camera app. Now after opening the camera app, scroll down and click on storage, and from here clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data and then click on delete to confirm. So when you will click on delete, it will fix your camera orientation issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.